diamond inside. So let's get it.
To open the chest, we must say the magic password. Today's password is
不好意思。
The voice controller selects slow. Let's say it slow.
不好意思，不好意思，不好意思，不好意思。Gulu, say the magic password, but it is still locked.
We must play the voice controller again to say the password in a different way.
Everyone, come help me. Say it with us.
Okay, let's try to say it fast.
不好意思，不好意思，不好意思，不好意思，不好意思，不好意思。We did it!
Thank you for helping. Your voice energy is amazing.
Gulu did a good job. We got 6 diamonds.